Okay, I think this is an internet first, so I'm not showing you the method I did, but my original method, because many hours later and dozens of attempts, they're not all recorded. But I did grab some potassium nitrate, some copper sulfate, and I did put it in a water bath that's over here, and inject it onto the cover slip. Although in the method you can see that I've written here for you, it was incubated, so it was warm to try and slow down the cooling rates, and I did all sorts of things to try and get rid of the water, and it ends up freezing. That is the best way to do it. And when it comes just out of the freezer, it looks like that. It's all solid, but it quickly becomes liquid when it gets to room temperature. And so at the very least, if you're too slow on everything, you will see the really fine crystals at the top, and it gets larger and larger as you go further towards the petri dish. So it's a watch glass, because it's cooling slower in the middle. And then if you've got the patience, this is times 10 because I don't have the patience. You can see the copper sulfate crystals growing. And so the copper sulfate's absorbing 5 H2Os, and so it's actually absorbing water. Whereas when you inject the saturated solution, okay, look at this is real time. You've got to be really quick. You can see those little sharp points growing in the middle of the screen. That's how fast you have to be to see these ones, and this is all warmed up to try and slow down the growth, and it's very, very quick. And that's releasing water because the KNO3 are surrounded by waters, but when they join together, they release those waters. And so these are just a couple of pictures of the copper sulfate and the potassium chloride crystals growing together, and so that's technically a rock, a mixture of two minerals. You can see that they are on the same plane, so they're next to each other, and there's just a few more pictures of it. And what I noticed after a while, which was 20 minutes of looking at this thing, was I couldn't find where all the potassium nitrate crystals had gone. They'd all disappeared, and so it had gotten too warm, and the thing had they'd all dissolved out. So I put it back in the freezer. You can see there, if you've got the patience, look at that KNO3 dissolving. That's times 10 again. It's very, very slow. So here we go. This is the best one, all three crystals. So we've got water, copper nitrate, sodium chloride, and they're all, look how quickly the water melts. So that's a real rock. All three minerals are crystallized, interlinked together. And this is real time. That's how fast it is. It's really, really fast. You've got to be quick. And the water's gone. All right, but you've still got the KNO3 and the copper sulfate. All right, how to make a rock.